Okay, so now a 7 sum. Now here you see two brackets, so your main connector will be false, will be dot, extract mark, next. So false and dot under false have three possibilities. I will try the second possibility, F50. You can try any of them. Yeah, F. Okay, F50. First step. Now if you see, so here also you will get the rule TFF. Here also you will get the rule TTT. You can solve, in that case you can solve any side, but if you get rule only in one side, go for the side where you can directly apply the rule. Now I am solving this side. For horseshoe to be false, your rule is TFF. This is my second step. सेकेंड रूल किया, इसने पैराटाइज कर्ल को किया, पहले कर्ल को वैल्यूज दी. अभी इफ कर्ल इज टी देन योर वेरिएबल विल बी फॉल्स. इजी, दिस इज वेरी इजी, इतना आपको पता होना चाहिए अभी तक. नाउ दिस साइड इफ यू सॉल्व, सो यू हैव डॉट ट्रू. व्हेन इज योर डॉट कंजंक्शन ट्रू, व्हेन योर एंटीसीडेंट इज आल्सो ट्रू and your consequent is also true. Okay, I prioritize the calls because I am applying the rule. So ये false हो जाएंगे और ये भी false. So this was my third step, like fourth step. I applied the rules, so fourth, and here I just changed the negation का rule. Fifth step. This is my sixth step. Now you have to check if you find any inconsistency anywhere. इनकंसिस्टेंसी के रूल्स के लिए पहले पी चेक कर लो, ये भी फॉल्स है, ये भी फॉल्स है, सो ये करेक्ट है, ये भी फॉल्स है, ये भी फॉल्स है, सो दिस इज आल्सो करेक्ट. नाउ गो फॉर द रूल्स. फॉर डॉट, डू यू हैव टी टी एंड टी? यस, आई हैव. नाउ फॉर डॉट you have F T and here it is F T. Yes, correct. Now left this, so you have T F F. So this is also correct, so you do not get any inconsistency. So your answer is, there is no inconsistency. So the given statement form is not a tautology. Question 8. So looking at the entire sum, you will come to know your main connector is horseshoe. Extract mark. Now horseshoe under false, you have a rule TFF. So this small bracket is connected by this whole bracket. F for step. TFF. No, it is TFF. I'm applying the rule, so I'll give the value to the curl first. Easy. TFF. Now I'll go to this rule, dot. Under conjunctions you have the rule TT. Again here you are going with the rule. Second step. Now what you will do is, here for wedge you have three possibilities for true. Do substitute method. Now for substitute method you need P and Q both. You only have the value for Q, so give the value for T also. इधर false है तो इधर क्या हो जाएगा, true. My negation rule. This is my step number 3. Now substitute both these values over here. For P you have true, so here you will have true. For Q you have true, again you will have over true only. This is my fourth step. This is my fifth step. Now I'll substitute this. If this is true, this will become false as per the curl rule. This is my 6th step, and this is true, so this will become false. This is my 7th step. Now going to check the inconsistency. If you get, so you can get in this बाकी सब प्रमोल rules के सबसे दिए T wedge Q. So your answer F T F. Did you get FTF in wedge? FTF. No. So your itself you got inconsistency. So the solution is there is inconsistency at step 6, 2, 7. Statement form is a tautology. Find the main connective as which false, extract mark. For which you will directly apply the rule FFF. So this will become F. Also F. Now what you have over here, horseshoe. Horseshoe के लिए भी directly rule जाएगा FFF वाला. तो अभी कौन सी भी साइड सॉल्व कर सकते हो, इट्स ओके बिकॉज दोनों साइड रूल जा रहे हैं. सो आई विल गो बाय लेफ्ट साइड TFF. अगेन मैं रूल अप्लाई कर रही हूँ, सो आई विल नंबर इट विथ फर्स्ट स्टेप my second step. Now I'll give the value over here and just complete this bracket. So this is my third step. Over here, do I need to substitute? No. When will I substitute? When I have no rules, direct rules to apply. अब मेरे पास तो है false के लिए, wedge के लिए, horseshoe के लिए है TFF. So I will not substitute. I will apply the rules again. Prioritizing the negation. TFF F. This is my fourth step. Fourth step, and this is my fifth step. Sorted. Now you have to check if you find any inconsistency. Rules though, in the rules though you will not get it. You will get with the P and Q. So now your Q is false, but your Q is true. So here you find an inconsistency क्योंकि Q को कर्ल है ही नहीं. अगर कर्ल होता और आपके वैल्यूज अलग अलग हो तो ठीक है. एक ही Q को दो वैल्यूज कैसे आ सकते हैं? Your Q is T or your Q is false. So here you find an inconsistency. Again for P, here you have true and here you have false. So this is also wrong. You have an inconsistency over here. I told if P and Q, both P's values should be the same. अभी इधर नहीं है. So there is an inconsistency. There is an inconsistency at step 2, 3, 5, 4. So the given statement form is tautology. Job. Okay, so our next sum. Now your main connective is for wedge. Extract mark. Wedge का direct rule जाएगा FFF. Again, if you're applying the rule, prioritizing the negation. My first step. Now here. Label this true. Second step. This side, if you see horseshoe, again you can apply the rule TFF rule. T, F, F. This is your third step. Now we have to just check. TFF जा रहा है. F be correct. Now here P is true. Here is also Q. Q तो है ही नहीं. So everything is correct. There is no. Therefore, the given statement form